What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video we will be reviewing Peygran's tile leveling system, anti-lippage system. We will review this system, unbox it, install some tile with it, and compare it to popular tile leveling systems. Here we go. Okay guys, let's quickly unbox this, then we'll set up some backer board and install tile with it. This is the starter kit. It includes 400 clip spacers, 200 wedges, a pair of pliers, and obviously a case to house everything. Let's open it up. So here are your wedges. Right off the bat, they're much smaller than your standard wedges such as Lippage, T-Lock, or RLS Raimondi. But they feel sturdy. And here are your clip spacers. The clips feel like they are good quality. Here are your pliers. Nice spring, all plastic, but they feel like they are good quality as well. Okay, quick unboxing. Let's install some backer board here, mix up some thin set mortar, and install the tile, showing you how this tile anti-lippage system works. Here we go. Let's install some backer board and then quickly compare it to Lippage, T-Lock. Okay guys, really quick before we mix up some thin set mortar and show you how to use the Peygran tile leveling system on install, we'll quickly show you the physical comparison of Peygran versus T-Lock and Lippage. Here is your Peygran system. You've got your wedge, and you have your clip spacer, 1/16 of an inch. We will first compare it to T-Lock. Obviously, right off the bat, you can see a significant difference in size. You've got T-Lock here, Peygran here. Here are the clips. The clips are nearly identical in size. They both feel like great quality. Let's move on to Lippage. Now here is your Lippage wedge versus your Peygran wedge. Again, significant size difference. But again, that means nothing. The clip spacers are the same size, so they cover the same amount of area. Very similar size clips. Smaller wedge, larger wedge. Let's quickly mix up some thin set mortar, show you how to install with the Peygran leveling system. Here we go. Now this is what we're going to install with the Peygran tile leveling system. Large format ceramic tile. tile leveling system. These guys are making a mark in the tile anti-lippage industry. They've got a lot of unique designs coming up as far as ergonomic pliers to outside corner brackets and an affordable starter kit. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. And as you can clearly see, it has been a while. We still use this system. We've used this system on multiple different projects. This kit works well. This kit is priced competitively. I will leave a link in the description below with specs and general pricing. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell notification below, hit that thumbs up button below, and comment. Tell us what you use, what your favorite tile anti-lippage system is. And I'll see you on the next video.